Hello friends, now we will discuss about resonance. If more than one electronic structure, if more than one electronic structure of a molecule or ion is possible, having same arrangement of atomic nuclei, then the different electronic structure is called resonating structure and the phenomenon is known as resonance. Let us take an example. It is benzene. Now, in benzene, 3 double bonds are present in alternative position. There are 6 carbon atoms in benzene and each carbon atom contains 1 hydrogen atom. Now, if we denote this carbon atom by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and if the double bond or pi bond present between 1 and 2 carbon atom is shifted in between 2 and 3, then to satisfy the 4 valency of carbon, the pi bond between 3 and 4 carbon is shifted in between C4 and 5, and the double bond between 5 and 6 carbon atom is shifted between 6 and 1. As a result, a new electronic structure of the molecule is possible. It is like that, where in between 1 and 2 carbon no double bond is present, but a new double bond is formed between 2 and 3 carbon. In between 4 and 5 carbon a double bond is formed, and in between 6 and 1 an extra double bond is formed. So, two different electronic structure of benzene is possible. One is denoted by 1 and the other is denoted by 2. And in this two structure, the atomic nuclei, that is carbon, hydrogen, have same position. Only the pi electron shifted, which is loosely bound, and two different electronic structure 1 and 2 are formed. This phenomenon is called resonance, and the structure 1 or 2 is called resonating structure, or it is called canonical form. Resonating structure, or it is called canonical form. So, more than one electronic structure of a molecule or ion, if possible, having same arrangement of atomic nuclei, then the different structures are called resonating structure, and the phenomenon is known as resonance. If we represent benzene, it is neither 1 nor 2. The actual structure of benzene is something like that, where cloud of 6 pi electrons are equally distributed among the 6 carbon atoms. It is called resonance hybrid. This phenomenon is called resonance or conjugation effect. Due to resonance, the CC bond length of benzene, the CC bond length of benzene has uniform length. Because the nature of the bond changes very rapidly from single bond to double bond and from double bond to single bond. The CC single bond length, single bond length, CC single bond length is 1.54 angstrom, whereas CC double bond length is 1.32 angstrom. But in benzene, due to resonance, since the bond character is intermediate between double bond and single bond, the uniform bond length of benzene is neither 1.54 nor it is 1.32. The uniform bond length is 1.39 angstrom. So in examination there is a question why the bond length of benzene is uniform. The answer is that due to resonance in benzene, the CC bond length has intermediate character and it is neither single bond nor double bond. It is intermediate between single and double bond, and we get a uniform bond length in benzene. Now if we want to draw the resonating structure of carbonate ion, it is something like that. This is the structure of CO3 2- ion. It is called carbonate ion. Now this double head arrow indicate resonance. The CO bond length gets single bond become double bond. In another structure, the third single bonded oxygen becomes double bonded. So we get three resonating structures of benzene. That is, three electronic structure of carbonate ion is possible, and the CO bond length has uniform length character. It is intermediate between single bond and double bond. The resonating structure of carbonate ion is like that. If we draw the resonating structure of ozone molecule, oxygen double bond and oxygen coordinate bond is present. In the second structure, the double bond gets coordinate character and the coordinate bond become double bonded. So we get two resonating structure of ozone molecule, and due to resonance the OO bond length has intermediate character between single and double bond, and we get uniform bond length of ozone. This is all about resonance. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.